even doing anything. See? I told you he doesn't know what to do.
Is it a sorry plane?
No. Nick, pull up! Nick, pull up!
Up!
Oh my god.
I think that's a sorry plane.
No, it's not. Number 7 is.
Nick, pull it up!
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 Pull it up!
Pull it!
Oh my god. Nick!
Nick!
Pull it up!
Pull it! Pull it!
Oh my god. So embarrassing.
Fuck.
Pull
Nick,
it!
pull it!
Nick,
Pull it towards you!
Oh my god.
Nick! Go like this! Go like
Pull
this!
it hard!
Pull it hard.
Pull it hard!
They both have to do it. Oh my god.
There you go, they're starting to go up now. There you go! Now you're going up!
He's not doing it, the boy behind him.
Oh no, there you go! Yay!
The last one to take flight.
No, this one.
We barely got to fly.
Alright guys!